see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Like I promised, if you guys hit 200 likes yesterday, I will do a part 2 with the full drop list, the retails, and what I feel like they're gonna resell for. So that's exactly what I'm doing in today's video. If you guys do end up enjoying this one, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and you might want to go ahead and subscribe because there is a 5 winner giveaway that I am currently running. The instructions for that will be in the description in the Gleam link. All you're gonna have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my girl's channel, and you must be subscribed to both in order to win. But you can also get an extra entry by going ahead and sharing the giveaway on your Instagram. I will also repost it if you do that. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So as I was saying in yesterday's video, I did actually cover the full TNF collaboration and the fact that the Instax are going to come out. So if you guys do want to see my detailed opinion on those, I will put a card up here for you. But I am going to briefly discuss what my favorite items are, what the retails, and what I feel like the resell is going to be for these items, and then we'll get straight up out the building. So we're going to start all the way from the bottom of the list and work our way up to the top. We do have the racing soccer jersey coming out along with the water shorts. In my opinion, the design is actually not that bad. It does remind me of the racing pieces from last season, I think it was, or 2 seasons ago, but those were definitely way more fire. These are still cool though. I definitely am a fan of the shorts. If I were to pick one of the two, I would definitely go for the shorts. The shirt should be retailing at 110. I definitely feel like there's no resale for this, but once again, if you do enjoy some of these pieces, go ahead and go for it, bro, because I'm no one to tell you what to like. But the shorts are definitely the vibe in my opinion. Those are gonna retail for 128. I'm honestly a huge fan, and I'm actually excited about these because if they do sit and I don't cook up on TNF, I might end up scooping those. I'm not gonna lie to you. But next up, we do have a piece that was supposed to release weeks ago and it never did. It is the animal sweatpants. We did already cover this before, but these are gonna retail for $148. We also are gonna see the hoodie of this come out, which are gonna retail for $168. I feel like this is a eye design. I definitely do like the pants more than the top. I feel like the top is a little bit too much. The branding is across the head apparently, and it low-key reminds me of the smoke tee where they had like that smoke supreme design. It low-key has that around the hood, but I low-key am not a fan of the hoodie. I do kind of like the pants, but I feel like it's something that I definitely wouldn't go for. So by default, it makes it kind of cheeks to me, so I understand why those are at the bottom of the list. Next up, we got the glitter football top. I just don't buy tops from Supreme. This is something that I don't do. These are alright, bro. It has this Supreme $1 million branding on the back of it, apparently in glitter, which is another dub for me. Like, I'm good on glittery ass shit. These are gonna release in 5 different colorways, which the colorways are pretty decent, but these are the typical Supreme colors that they normally go for. Besides the purple, you got that yellow, black, white, red, and then you got that purple, which is still cheeks. We got the Mosaic silk short sleeve top. I feel like somebody from EU could definitely pull this off. It's not that bad. It gives me like Versace vibes in like that yellow color, but I definitely feel like I wouldn't wear this or honestly spend my money on it. It's $158. They are tripping. We got the Nueva York short sleeve top. This one basically has Supreme going down vertically on the top and on the bottom. Then it says Nueva York right on the middle. If you guys know and you are Dominican, you know that you pronounce New York as Nueva York. Literally, that's what this is called right here. So this probably is like a homage to like Hispanics. I'm not gonna lie to you. We got this Miles Davis skate pants. I feel like I spoke about these before. I might be mistaken, but I definitely do feel like I've covered this piece in the past. I don't know. I just feel like I've seen this besides the lookbook, and I probably said it was cheeks. It's still cheeks, people. Like, this is something that I wouldn't go for. Next up, we got this paisley grid shirt. I feel like if this was a jacket or like a short sleeve rayon, it would definitely have resale, but the fact that it is just a button up, like a long sleeve button up, it probably won't have the best resale, and it doesn't have the best colorways. Like, if it has that red, that blue, like a beige, and some colors around that nature, it would definitely do better. But I feel like this one right here is a brick. Like, I'm good on that one, hands down. We got this side logo 5 panel. This is like a mesh back hat. Since we talking about hats, shout out to Ghetto Echelon for the hat, people. This shit is fire. We might be seeing something special coming up with them shortly. This hat is ass. The side logo one is definitely cheeks. I'm good on that one. That's probably one of the hats that I don't like from this season. There's been so many bangers. There's even one on this list that I am a fan of, but that side logo hat is so ass, bro. Like, I'm good on that one, honestly. I'm a snooze on that one, but we do got the water shorts, which I already did cover. Next up, we got this two-tone denim camp cap. Shit is fire, bro. The hats this season are beyond me. Like, this is one of the hats that I would definitely go for. One thing throwing me off from this hat is the price, bro. This shit is $56. Like, dude, I understand it's 56 because it has two-tone denim, this, that, and the third, but 56 plus shipping is 66 plus tax is $70+ for a hat. They smoking tip. I'm not paying $70 for a hat. I don't understand why it has to be so expensive. It literally is just a hat. Next up, we have this sun shield camp cap, which is $88. Bruh, $100 for a hat? Who is doing it? This shit better have automatic bug repellent, neck massagers, all that shit. I need all of it for 88 plus shipping, which is low-key $100. They're tripping, bro. They could keep this hat in the arsenal. They could low-key unstitch this hat and make a couch with it, sit on it, and call it ass cheeks. Like, this is beyond me, bro. We got this adventure tote, which is retailing for $148. I feel like it's kind of suitable, but it's not at the same time. Once again, if they did have the messenger bag straps on it, I would possibly consider it, but the fact that it doesn't is kind of throwing me off. I don't feel like I'm gonna carry a bag like this. I'm not about to carry a briefcase with me. Like, that's not the way that I roll, bro. I'm not at that level of businessman yet. I'm not the final boss of these companies. Like, I'm not trying to do this shit. It just doesn't correlate with my mental. Like, they're tripping, bro. And yesterday I told y'all if this floating keychain was anywhere over $12, they can use this shit as an anal bead. Like, I'm not paying more than $12 for it, and I guessed it because the retail is $12. It's alright, bro. It's nothing special. It's literally just a keychain. If this was like a little coin pouch, that would be pretty cool, but it's literally so useless that I'm not even gonna look at it no longer. We got this Franklin hooded sweatshirt. Low-key, this dollar bill sweater is a vibe. I don't know if I would personally go for it this week because there is a lot of bangers coming out. I can see myself going for this on a week where it was a little bit more dead. I even feel like this would be more hyped, but this piece might creep up on resale as time goes on. I feel like this dollar design, they've done it before on a tee, and the tee ended up going up as well, so I can see this one going up. I just don't see any branding on it, to be honest. There is a Supreme box logo behind the $100 thing. You can kind of see it, but it's not too clear. I really don't care. I feel like it's a fire piece regardless. Now we're gonna get into the TNF Cargo Vest. Retail for this is way lower than what I expected. Only $168, which you might say is steep. I definitely am digging this piece for $168. It would even be a piece that I consider keeping for that price because it's not like $700 for a jacket and a vest. It's just $160, which is hoodie price for Supreme. I definitely am a fan of the vest, probably in the black colorway because I feel like I would be able to wear that one with so much more stuff. Even the tan one is fire. All these colors are hard in my opinion, but I do feel like resale for this, I could see it going for $250 to $300, and eventually it will go up. I just feel like at first it won't have the best resale, but considering the fact that retail is so low, I could see resale being at least $250, $260 to start off, and $300 plus in the future. Now we're gonna get into probably one of my favorite pieces this week, and it is these belted cargo pants. The fact that retail is $200 is a little bit iffy for me, but the fact that you can go ahead and make these into shorts or long sleeve pants, it's so fire, bruh. I love the fact that you can convert these shits from either or. I would definitely get these in the black colorway. It's an all year round type of pant, so I would definitely rather have it in a color that matches with everything. Don't get me wrong, the tan colorway is hard and so is the pink. Resale for these honestly is kind of iffy because pants for Supreme really don't do too well on the market. It is something that could go either way. I feel like it won't brick though, but I do want to say that if you guys are interested in cooking up on some of these items, you can go ahead and buy addictio. It is $130, but with my promo code you can go ahead and get 10% off and pay $117. The bot actually restocked a couple days ago, so I feel like it's the perfect time to go ahead and scoop it up. And don't worry if you don't have the full $117, you can split it in 4 different payments of like $33 with my promo code, which is definitely not that bad. So go ahead and check out addictio if you guys are interested in cooking up on this week's TNF drop. But let's go ahead and talk about the Instax, which are gonna come out this week. These are actually fire, but retail is $20 for a pack of 10 Instax. That means you're paying $2 for each piece of photo paper. They are tripping, and I'm still gonna go for it, bro. These are fire nonetheless. I definitely see myself going for these. I just hope that you can buy more than one pack, because I would at least try to scoop up 2. I feel like it'll be more worth it if I buy more than one, because one pack is low-key pissing me off, because after shipping it's $30. I feel like these will have some type of resale, but we do have 2 more pieces to talk about, and then we'll get straight up out the building. One of them being the cargo jacket, which is low-key the best item this week. I love the fact that retail is only $398. I know y'all probably gonna be like, only? What do you mean? Like, bro, that's steep. $398 compared to the $700 almost for the jacket that I bought is lovely, bro. Like, I will pay $450 for a jacket that's TNF before I pay $700 ever again in my life. Like, I low-key want to sell that jacket. This jacket right here is definitely a vibe. I love the colorways. I wish they had the same like tie-dye looking ass paint splatter design on the black one. I personally would go for the tan colorway. I just feel like it pops better. It still looks fire with a whole lot of things, and I feel like I would wear it a little bit more. Low-key, if I buy this jacket, I have to flip the other one ASAP, because I don't want to hold on to these expensive ass pieces for too long, if I'm being honest. But this is a fire jacket nonetheless. I could definitely see resale going for $600, especially in that pink colorway. And if it doesn't do resale as soon as it's sold out, these will do amazing down the line, especially that pink one and the tan one, because I don't believe they've dropped the tan TNF, and if they have, it was like so long ago, bro, that people forgot about it. So this is a fire piece. I love the branding on the back. Definitely an overall insane piece in my opinion. Now last up, we got this One World tee, which is gonna retail for $58. That is pretty steep for a shirt, I'm not gonna lie, but the fact is that they are gonna be donating all the proceeds that come from this shirt for COVID-19 relief. So honestly, this is probably my favorite piece releasing this week, because if you buy it, you know that you are helping somebody that is in need. I am a huge fan of that, and I am also a huge fan of the design. It does have the globe on it, then it has the Supreme and TNF logos, and I'm gonna try to read what it says for you guys. It says one world, one purpose. I love the meaning behind that. It says Supreme/TNF, and I believe it says 2020 right under it. Huge fan of this piece right here, definitely in the black colorway. I feel like resale for this will be around $90 to $100, and down the line I feel like it'll probably do like $120, $130 for a little while. This is a fire piece nonetheless, and probably one of my favorites releasing this week. In a perfect world, if I had all the money to buy anything I wanted this week, I would go for the vest, the pants, the jacket, and the tee. Those are definitely my 4 pickups that I would love to have this week. But ideally, if I can't get the jacket, I'll end up going for the pants, the vest, and the shirt. If I get the jacket, I'll just get the shirt on the side of it. I don't really want to spend anything over $450 to $500, but that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Go ahead and click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to go ahead and enter in this crazy ass giveaway that I have going on, where 5 people will win Supreme items. There's going to be a Motion logo beanie, there's going to be 2 Supreme tees, a Supreme utility pouch in blue, and there's going to be Supreme Oreos plus 5 stickers for another winner. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my girl's channel, and that's pretty much it. So I think I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a